Check this out, Garrett. CJ, you have a new member of your Penny Nation Club, Carvana. It went
Oof.
below $10 yesterday, and they had a rough day.
Yeah.
Continued to drop from an all-time low on Friday. They reported pretty bad earnings. Trading was even halted yesterday morning due to the volatility. CJ, it dropped 24%, again, welcoming it into stocks under 10 club. Will you be looking for some trades to capitalize on their recent dive?
Yeah, actually, Vaz, you look at a couple different areas of the market on this stock, and this stock's a little different. We've had Carnival Cruise Line, we've had all kinds of companies that have busted into the $10 and under universe, right? But when you look at some of the fundamentals of those companies, Carvana is really kind of standing out right now. We always hear about it. The bond traders are the smartest people in the room. If you take a look at the Carvana bonds out there right now, that even mature 3 or 4 years from now, 2027, 2028, 2029, you go out. I think they got some 2030s. I was looking this morning on the Bloomberg here. Man, these things are yielding 30 to 35 to 43% right now. So no takers on some of this paper. It's just hanging out there. That's kind of telling you the bond market is saying Carvana is going to go to zero. I mean, they're going to trade based off of what they've got. And who wants one of those big vending machines? I mean, Shaw can probably put a couple of his Maseratis in them as a garage. Um, you know, we could maybe share. I could put my pickup truck. We could have like a money morning parking garage. It would look real cool with big tokens. But yeah, Carvana is going to zero right now, and I'm going to trade it all the way there.
Shah, you definitely have some Maserati vibes. Let's ask your question. This question about Carvana. Is this on your list of potential zombie stocks? As CJ said, gee, the thing could be going to zero.
Yeah, this is absolutely a zombie stock going to zero. We had a position, and I regret to say we got squeezed out of it. Part of the problem that we endure with some of these positions we have, there's huge short of float here, about 55%. We had a great position. We've made a few 100%, but we got stopped out because we did have a stop on there to protect some of our cap. I wish we hadn't. We would have scored big by now. We would have rolled it over and done it again, but once bitten, twice shy a little bit here. So I did miss this downside on that, even though we did have a position on, unfortunately, got squeezed out of that one. But yeah, this one is typical zombie stock that has managed to keep itself alive with rolling over its debt at ever higher prices, yields, but managed because those yields were still relatively digestible for the company. That game is over. This company is, I think, I think CJ is right. I think it could go to zero.